Hello and welcome. So we have a question on the board. We have 16 raised to power 5 minus 16 raised to power 4 is equal to what? So let us try to solve this question. Solution. So we have 16 raised to power 5 minus 16 raised to power 4 is equal to what? Now, so we're trying to simplify this problem without using a calculator. Okay, so now we have that 16. We can rewrite 16 to become 2 raised to power 4. And this also becomes 2 raised to power 4 raised to power 4. Okay. Now, if we multiply the powers, because we know a raised to power mn is the same thing as a raised to power mn, right? So now we can multiply the powers. So we have 2 raised to power 20 minus 2 raised to power 16. Okay. Now, let's rewrite 20 because we have 216 on 2 raised to power 16 here as well in the equation. So we're trying to factor out 2 raised to power 16. So let's rewrite 220. 2 raised to power 20 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 16 plus 4 minus 2 raised to power 16. Okay. Now, a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m dot a raised to power n. So applying this formula, we have 2 raised to power 16, right, dot 2 raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 16. So if we factor out 2 raised to power 16, what do we have? We have 2 raised to power 4 minus 1. Okay. Now, 2 raised to power 16 into 2 raised to power 4 is 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16 minus 1. Okay. So now we have 2 raised to power 16 bracket 15. Right. So let's carry on with the simplification. Now, 2 raised to power 16. 16 we can rewrite as 10 plus 6. So it becomes 2 raised to power 10 plus 6 times 15. All right. So using the initial formula as well, this becomes 2 raised to power 10 times 2 raised to power 6 times 15. 2 raised to power 10 we know as 1024. And 2 raised to power 6 is 64. Then times 15. Now we can also rewrite 15 to be 10 plus 5, right? So we have 1024 times 64 into 10 plus 5. Right. So now we have 1024 times 64 times 10 will give us 640. And 64 times 5 will give us what? 64 times 5. So 64 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry 2. 30, 32. So we have 320. Okay. Right. So we don't know what that is. Okay. So now we have 1024 times 640 plus 320. So this is now 1024 into 640 plus 320. Right. So if we add up what we have in the brackets, we have 1024 into 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, right? So now we can also rewrite 960 to be 1000 minus 40, right? 1000 minus 40 will still give us 960. Okay, so now this becomes 1024 times 1000 minus 1024 times 40. So this becomes 1024, 1, 2, 3 minus. So let's multiply 1024 times 4. We're just going to add 0 at the end later on. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8, 9. 0. 4 times 1 is 4. So it's just going to be that. 4960. Okay. So This is going to be 40. So this is going to be 40, 40960. Okay. Now, if we subtract, we have 10, 24, 1, 2, 3, and 0, 6, 9, 0, 4, 4960. If we subtract, we have 0, 10 from 6 is 4, 9 from 9 is 0, we have 3, 12 from 4 is 8, and then what we have here is 9. Okay, so now we have 983040 as our final answer, and that is the solution to simplifying 16 raised to power 5 minus 16 raised to power 4. So if you enjoyed this solution, step-by-step solution, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. More videos like this are going to be coming your way. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.